Hey guys, welcome to Erudite Trader. I'm so happy and excited to unveil this powerful system that is a combination of both a traditional EA together with a powerful system which powers this EA. This EA works together with the machine learning, a system that has 5 votes. All right, so when you look here, we have this account, right? And this is a dashboard, by the way. So if you're worried about how can I see the chart, you just press H to hide the dashboard, like that, H to bring it back, like that. It is simple. Okay, so when you look again, I just press H. You can see this trade has been running in, this is NZD JPY. Okay, that is NZD NZD sorry. It is about 45 pips. The market was, it entered here, the stop loss was below. As you can see, this EA, or rather machine learning system, has been designed with you in mind and your capital, which means it not only make profit but protects both. Okay, and it is a system that uses, okay, ensemble different models in order. The system won't just release a signal without first being voted whether it has met the criteria for taking that trade or not. And it uses smart money concept. So the models that we have, we have about 200 models, all have been trained with the data, okay, for the past 30 years and to date. And the way this has been designed is that it trains even on a live market, the trades that it takes, the take profit that it hits, and also the stop loss or trading stop loss that it trains from all those. And it is a low risk trading system that is going to help you a lot. So we have these two accounts. This is two accounts. It is also on Deriv, and it also trades also step index as well. We also have this live account from Xness as well. When you look at it, with the balance of 100, and it was 130, but look at this, 115, 57. And also, if you come here, you will see it did hit a TP here on this one with an open position of 0.01, made about $5 profit. So it's really, really great. Now, I want to show you something. This EA also comes with its own, because it is an installation that you have to install on a Windows PC machine, okay? And then it will be communicating. The moment you install, it will either, if you want, it will extract the EA directly in the MT5, or you can take it there yourself. And then it will begin communicating with this application. It comes with its own dashboard. It looks like this. So this is a dashboard. Right now, it is in a development. I've been working on this for months, and I have trained this, and it has become so amazing. So when you look here, the balance here was 2,421, but now when you look here, it is 2,533. Okay, so it's a combination of two accounts. By the way, this system can trade even up to 200 accounts at once. It can trade. Okay, so this is another account, 2,000, and then plus this one also is in profit when you look here, and the market has moved 30 plus pips on these symbols, okay? Because we are also trading 0.01, the lowest micro lot size that you have. So let me show you on the dashboard. So the dashboard that you are looking at right now has so many data that it is able to present. Number one, it is able to show you the balance, the equity, the floating. So together we have 112 precisely for this account. Here it is fluctuating, okay? So it is not inclusive of this other account. So the reason is simple. It is because this first account was the first one that I attached it to, okay? It was the first one that I attached it to, and I opened these small micro lot size. So when you hear something like that, that is a notification of the take profit as well as stop losses. It also gives you a notification. So when you look here, you can see the win rate, the models, trend, and loaded, 8 signals. So when you come here, it is going to show you the live prices on the market. So you will see that these also, Euro USD, GBP are also trading in a trade, okay? And these other, they are not, these are in trade. You're able to see also the profit and all those stuff. So when you look here, you can even see how many models you have, 105 so far, but there are more than that. You can also see the candles that this system was used to be trend on. They're about 15,420,664. We have 26 symbols altogether from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and also daily. This here is tells you whether you are connected to a trading robot or not, okay? And if you look here, this is the account, all right? Let me show you. This here is the account, or let's do this. Real account, this one, okay? It is the account 7181. So if you come here on the dashboard, here at the top bottom right corner, 7181, it shows you the account that you're trading. So these are AI Signal, Smart Money, Confluence, Get. So these are approved, okay? So when you look here, 5,5, 73%, it shows you the session, it only trades New York and London session. Machine learning, the one that sends signals after the votes have passed. Market structure, the zone and higher time frame. And then it sends 5 out of 5. The confluence happened, it sends, and then the EA there is given instruction to execute. We have GBP USD also, and USD JPY. These are the signals. Some are 4 out of 5. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, if they are all in green, it's 5. So when you see 5 out of 5, higher time frame 1, the zone 2, market structure 3, machine learning 4, and then the session. So if these meet, these are high quality signals, and when you look at all these, they are doing and performing so great, okay? And these, when you come now here, I show you, okay, you can also see 10 open trades together, 8 signals. So don't mind this, I'm still working on the signal, all right? It also shows you now $16 in profit. It is this account, okay, this one on the Xness account. And then when you come here, you click here, it will show you the overview. Here it is going to give you all the metrics, the visuals, how everything is performing. You can see 8 winning trades today, 5 were buys and 3 were selling, okay? If you hover here, you're able to see profit and loss, that is $61, okay? You are able to see how each is performing, all right? So here you will see 8 total trades, win rate 100%, okay? Total 61.63 USD. The average duration during this was 212 minutes. 8 active signals as at now. When you click on symbols, you will see the symbols that perform the better. You can see here it shows you 2 wins, 0 losses. 2 wins, 0 losses. All these performed so much better. So each time this wins, the EA lens, it keeps on improving. At the end of the day, it reaches a level where it becomes so much good. Just like a human being, you keep on doing the same thing and learning. It is the same system that I have designed this. You are even able to see USD card 100% win rate, 19.20. This one, AUDSD 13, and so on and so forth. From here, you can come and see the signals. EuroUSD signal buy, GBPSD signal buy, and all those stuffs, and the gets. You have all the details that you want to see how your EA is performing. Position, it is currently going to show you all the positions that have been opened, right? Here, the history, it is going to show you all the history of closed trades, 0 losses, 8 wins together, win rate, just like that. It is impressive. This is Monte Carlos, where you can run your risk simulator, but you need at least 10 trades, okay? Right now you have 8. When you come here, this now is, if you hover here, that is the models. It will show you the models. These models, we have 15-minute model time frame, we have 1 hour, we have 4 hour, and daily. So it is going to show you here, it is just loading, the number of models, the average accuracy, the best model, also tuned with OpTuner in order to find the best parameter where this can be able. So when you look here, this is a heat map. It shows you all the models. All right, we have 4 hour daily time frame. So what happens is that, let's say your USD 15-minute time frame says buy. The models will have to check, is it aligning with 1 hour or 4 hour? If these three agree, then it can pass to say go ahead and enter a trade. Okay, so it is much more better and powerful compared to a native trading EA that just, it's a care feed. This one is not, because these have been trained with data of over 30 years, 20 years, 15 years, and it is still learning, which means it doesn't matter how the market becomes, it learns over time and it improves. When you come here, the stars, when you click here, these have been tuned, all right? So others that don't have these stars have not yet been tuned. Okay, so once they are tuned, they will begin to perform better. When you come here where it says OpTuner, you can say, okay, tune all. I can tune all like this. I'll click, the pop-up will come here showing me that it has started tuning. You just have to give it a little bit time because it is handling heavy stuff right now and training at the same time. So average accuracy, we have 73%. The best accuracy, we have 78%. Tuned models, we have 114 models tuned. Back testing here, you can back test, run a back test, or retrain. Okay, so it says fail because it is loaded. You can also retrain the models. You can come here where it says all models. You see the one in blue color, light blue, they are performing better. Okay, the accuracy 78%, 77%. These are the models that are doing better. So if you look at these models and you go in the trades, you discover that all these models are performing better because they have been trained and also they have been tuned. Okay, so when you come here, this is a database, models for models. So for this one, it shows you the total candles that the EA has been trained on. It has been trained on the candles of about 15 million. Okay, candles, and also it has about 26 symbols with the data series. Just give it a little bit time. It is loading. Okay, because it is handling heavy stuffs right now. If I want, I can say re-import all. Okay, like this. If I click, hopefully, because it is doing a lot of things, hopefully it is not going to reject that. Once that it start uploading or importing, all right, you start seeing data being loaded here. Let's say you download 15-minute time frame from these brokers, you put them in the import folder, it will start importing straight away into the database. After doing that, it will start training. After training, it will start automatically tuning. Okay, so timeout because it is loading so many things. Okay, so this is what this does. If you come here, improvement tracker, it shows you how your system is improving each time the EA takes profit. It learns, hits a stop loss, it learns, each time it also learns from new candles forming every day. You're able to see the improvement tracker right here, okay, on this one. You can see for this one, this is about, you can read it as well, okay. So let me just give it time. So we'll work on these. It is going to be a very much great and perfect. So you can even see that sorry, just a little sorry about that. If you come here, you can even see, okay, so the moment I clicked to say tune, it started tuning. You can see regime, NZD, JPY, volatile, it is able to give you. All right, so look at this. All the models that have been tuned, it is keeping. NASDAQ 100, you can see get tuned, it is tuning new models. If I go all the way up, you will be able to see the signals that it is giving from the back end again. So let me just copy this. This is going to be an installed desktop. Okay, so let me just do this, and then I'll hit run like that, so that we have this new newly loaded. So when I come here, when you see here where it says it shows offline, it means your EA and this main system, the backend, is not connected. So either your EA is off or your system is off. Okay, you go here, you see, I'll go here, I put back the dashboard. Look, it is doing so great. So if I try to go back, okay, let's say I try to do a refresh, it has to show green, and also here green, and also here, which means now the EA is connected, okay, with the system. All right, what else it is doing that? When you come here down, these are settings. When you click on those settings, they will bring you here where you can also control your EA, your profile, cooldown. Cooldown, this is simply where after a certain symbol hits, a signal hits profit, instead of entering right there and then, it has a cooldown period of 3 hours to wait. Also to give chances to other symbols to take that trade. You can control a lot of things. You can hear EA control. Okay, so it shows offline. Your EA is offline. Don't worry about that. Let me finish here. And also the profile, the cooldown, machine training. I can train your USD. I can tune all, train. I can train all. If I click train all, and then let's wait a little bit. I want to show you something. And then I come here, okay? You can see once I click train all, it started importing AUD card daily time frame. Okay, trading improvement tracker and all these things, it start. Also, info, it is also live price. It is also training from this. Smart money levels on GBP USD. This is a signal now, sell with the stop loss and all those stuffs. So this is what it means, okay? This is what it means. It also gives signals. It was created and designed with you in mind. Let me show you some examples of these trades. So when you look, that is GBP AUD. Okay, this is GBP AUD. Let me show you something on GBP AUD. If I take this pip measure from where it entered from there to where it is, the market has moved about 30 pips. Okay, so if your target is just 30 pips a day, then this can also be good for you, because at the same time, each time the market moves, it starts now protecting both the little that you have made and also your capital. Okay, so if I come here on history, you will see this. Okay, you will see some histories. Okay, you'll see some histories. These were not, it wasn't the EA that took, okay, but this one, it was the EA with a 0.01. Okay, so when you look, let me show you this one is better on $2,000 account. Look at this. From 2,421 to 2,539. If you come here on history, you will see these ones are looking in red, okay, but they are in profit. It is because the system was moving, was trailing the trades. This one hit the TP, okay, on GBPUSD and NZD/USD with a 0.04 and the other one on 0.01. All right, so this is also the dashboard for the MT5. It shows you everything. It shows you the net, $16, the net and all those stuffs, okay, but the overall, that is the total amount, okay, and these are the trades that this entered. So if you look at GBP, JPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, and others, these are the signals that came from the system. Okay, so the EA cannot take the trades. Now, you can see the other, if you go here, okay, you want to see whether it is still loading, whether the dashboard and the EA is connected. It is this, okay, where it is showing offline. So it is connected. Look, it has been connected. Also here, it has brought the price, okay, on this system here. But if you come here also, you will see engine. The system, the backend is now connected, okay. It also show you 1 second ago, 2 seconds ago, and others. If I want to remove the dashboard, I'll click H to hide, H to bring out, just like that. Okay, so again, I will show you something. If I come here on improvement tracker like this, we just wait a minute, it has loaded. So we have models, top models, 78%, overall win, 100%. It is able to show you the wins. It is also able to show you accuracy over retrains, 8 trades, it shows you everything. Retrain history. Once you retrain some, it will bring the history here. Win rate, it will bring once everything is here. So not enough weekly data. So this is done every after 1 week. Data growth every after 1 week. Okay, so this is the system. If I come here, it is an about. So this is an erudite AI trader, a professional machine and deep learning trading robot built on smart money concept strategy. The app acts as the brain trading model, generating signals and writing them to OMT5 terminals automatically. Okay, so the MQFEA act as the hands where reading signals and executing trades on your broker account. No broker logging is required in this. Okay, so we have these features. We have 108 model, 26 active symbols, 78 features and model, 5 smart money voters. Smart money voters. So these are the system of voters or ensembles that allow the signal to pass. If it passes, it gives a signal, because we want quality, not quantity. So from this, expect at least 5 to 6 signals a day or 10 signals, because there are a lot of symbols. All right, so retrain every after 6 hours, but you can change that. Time frames, we have 3, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Okay, we have 10 plus million candles in database. Officially, it is 15,400,000 and plus. Okay, so architecture for this brain, we have Erudite app. It trains on all model, generates signals every 30 seconds. Okay, it writes and other things. So you find out. Signal pipeline. This is our signal pipeline. We have machine learning ensemble prediction, XGB boost plus LightGB, cat boost, predict buy or sell per symbol across 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Multiple time frame confluence performance filter. So what this system does, it also promotes those models that are performing better. It will start pushing quality signals to them and demoting those other that are underperforming simply by raising the gate. Instead of giving that model 3 out of 5, it will raise to 4 out of 5 until it start meeting that. Only will it start getting the opportunity. We have the one trend filter. It had block when daily time frame disagrees at 80% or higher. Smart money confluence gate, 5 voter system session, machine learning confidence structure zone higher time frame with a minimum of 4 out of 5. Weekend session GAT. Okay, so this one we don't want it to be trading on a weekend, but if you do, you can do that. Key features: walk forward validation, outcome weight training, sharp ratio feature importance, tuner high parameter tuning, Bayesian optimization, finds best parameters. Okay, so someone is calling. Okay, Monte Carlos. So these, and then we also have SQLite with Walmart plus SQLite to, this is a database. Okay, so we have MQL5EA on MetaTrader. This is an expert advisor now. So if you come here, if you want, you can also change the look. Okay, the feel you can change. You can add this, you can play around. Crimson, you can do different things if you want. Okay, so midnight, that's my favorite. And then these are settings. Okay, these are settings. Trading, it shows you the EA, but my favorite here sound, we are still working on this. I'm still working on it. Soon it will be added. So we have EA control. It shows me balance 140 for that other account, 10 open trades. Okay, daily, you can reduce this. If you want max total, you can reduce max daily trade and you click apply. Set a limit sent. Okay, this one shows you auto trade is on or off. Okay, auto brain size. So this one does everything. It adjusts stop losses based on the situation of the market and also take profit and also the lot size. If it says that this is the best setup, it will also increase or reduce the lot size. You can choose the fixed, where you even add the fixed lot size. You even create apply lot setting to the EA. You can add risk, and these are the positions that the system is in. When you scroll down here, you're able to see live prices that the EA is sending to the system. Okay, we also have profiles. These are the profiles where you can do the settings, break-even pips, okay, trading activation after 25, okay, trading distance, you can set and click apply. We have metals. This is the profile for these symbols. For gold and silver, you can set the break even because these are different. Okay, 40, you play along with these. We have Forex, crypto, synthetic indices, and all these stuffs. Cool down. So cool down, when you look here, NZDSD, it says TP. This hit TP, so it has to cool down and wait, because what happens is that after it hit TP, it want to enter to re-enter again there and then. But we have to give also an opportunity to other symbols as well, because they're about 26 and they're all performing better for them to trade. So if I want, I can cancel this for it to start trading again. But no, I don't want. I want to give an opportunity to other. Okay, cool down legend, hard stop loss. Also, okay, it gets about 4 hours of cool down, but if it hit TP, it gets about 3 hours of cool down period. Machine learning and training. So here I can tune, train. I can also schedule. Okay, I can also schedule 24 hours, right? But I want after 7 days to retrain, auto retrain, and then at least I want, let's just put 500 candles, save schedule. Okay, it will be saved. Okay, we also have retrain all. You can retrain all 32 symbols plus 4 time frames is equals to 128 models. Okay, so this is the system. We also have data. This is the database now. You can import new candlestick and time frames, and also the period. You throw it in the import, click import new or re-import. Okay, so it may say this, we work on that, but when you come here, it says already imported. Okay, already imported. So just because it says failed doesn't mean it hasn't triggered. Probably it's just a technical issue. So this is all about. So when you look here, all the signals that this EA entered, they are performing better. All right, almost 90% are in profit and are doing better. So just because you're seeing a 2.96, it is because we use the 0.01. Okay, so in Euro GBP, when you say you come here on Euro GBP here, it is about to hit a TP. So if I get this pip measurement, you discover that it has moved about 47 pips, and that is a lot. If I come on a 1 hour time frame, that is how it looks. So the system is performing better. Okay, the system is performing better. If you want, you can even say that this is a, let me show you. This is a real account. Okay, let me show you. Here, this here, Xness, this a real, okay, account there. All right, so it is trading on a real account. Okay, so there at least it gives you confidence anyway. So when you look here, the balance and where it is performing better. All right, it's performing better. And when we go back to this dashboard, you see as well. So if I go back here, look, okay, so this is how it looks like when they're in profit. So this $16 is because for this small account. So it takes a little bit time for it to update. So here it has updated. If we go here, okay, it keeps on updated. It lags a little bit because it is loading a lot of things at once. So this is a system designed specifically with you and your capital in mind. It is there. You can leave it and go anywhere you go. It will take very good care of your account. It will take very good care of your money as well. Okay, just doesn't enter any trade. So the second thing, maybe you won't see it trade or enter or send any signals. It sends any signal, the gates won't allow it, because especially during Asian session and before New York or London session opens, it won't take any trade. So many asking, can it trade a prop firm? Very much. It can trade a prop firm account. So this is the system, and I hope you guys have explained enough to help you understand. If you have any questions, you can later ask me. Okay, so how to do this? It is just to install it. Okay, so thank you. Bye.